In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your website in just 5 minutes. Now, Google Analytics is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to track and report your website traffic, which is essential for understanding your audience and improving your site. So let's dive right into it. To start, you'll need to head over to the Google Analytics website. You can do this by typing Google Analytics into your browser and clicking on the official site link. Once you're there, look for the option to sign into Analytics. If you already have a Google account, you can use those credentials to sign in. If not, you'll need to create a new account, but don't worry, it only takes a minute or two. After signing in, you will be taken to the Google Analytics homepage. Here, you'll see an overview of everything Google Analytics offers. But for now, let's focus on getting you set up. On this page, look for the Settings option. This can usually be found in the lower portion of the navigation menu. Clicking on it will bring you to a page with various settings options. Next, look for Data Collection and Modification. This is critical because this section allows you to begin configuring how Analytics will gather data from your website. Once you've clicked on this, you'll see an option labeled Data Streams. Selecting this option is your next step. Now, data streams are essentially the channels through which your website's data will flow into Google Analytics. Here you can create a new data stream by selecting the appropriate option for a web-based stream, which is what we want for a standard website setup. After selecting the data stream for the web, you'll be prompted to input some necessary information about your website, like its URL and name. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Once you've done that, you'll see a confirmatory page showing your new data stream along with its details. One of the most important details on this page is the measurement ID. This ID is essentially what links your website to Google Analytics. It's usually a combination of letters and numbers and is located prominently on this data stream detail page. What you need to do is copy this ID. You'll need it to input into your website's backend for final integration. Once you have this ID, head over to your website's CMS or HTML code, depending on how your site is set up. You'll typically paste this ID into a specific section designated for scripts or analytics code. Each platform might have slightly different instructions, but usually they offer pretty easy directions for adding analytics codes. And there you have it. In just a short time, you've added Google Analytics to your website. Make sure to give it a day or so to start seeing data, and soon you'll be harnessing the power of analytics to drive your website strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.